Welcome to Genesis Learning. I'm your trainer Noel. Today we'll be talking about the 7 PT reading mistakes that you have to avoid. These mistakes are applicable whether you are planning to take the exam or you're planning to retake it. Let's start learning. Alright, so as you know, the PT reading is very important for the exam. To know about the different tasks in the PT reading, feel free to check out my introduction video where I go in detail about all the tasks and the timing. Let's jump into the mistakes that you should avoid. The first one is poor time management. Remember one thing, for the PT reading, you have to manage your own time. It is not controlled by the computer. You will have a timer on the screen that will be there for the entire exam. You need to move quickly and efficiently, else you will miss out on some of the questions towards the end of the timer. Once again, I remind you, I'm not going to get the timing. For all the tasks, all you have to do is watch my introduction video. The next thing is taking negative marking too easily. Well, this is mostly in one kind of question in the reading, which is the multiple choice, multiple answer type. This particular question has negative marking. If you get a correct answer, you will get 1 point. On the other hand, if you get a wrong answer, you will get a -1. So let me take an example. Imagine there is a question and there are 5 options. A, B, C, D, E are the 5 options. B and C are the correct answer. If you get B and C, you will get 1 + 1, 2 points. Okay. If you get A and B, that is you take A and B, then you will get for A a -1 and for B a +1. Therefore, your score becomes 0. And if you manage to take A, B and C, then what is going to happen is you will get 1 point because A is a -1, B is a +1 and C is a +1. So please be careful for this particular question, that is the multiple choice, multiple answer type of question. The next one is trying to attempt all the questions in the multiple choice, multiple answer. You see, I just mentioned to you a couple of minutes back that this particular question has negative marking. If you are just wanting to put all the options, go ahead, but it can sometimes cost you a mark. You don't have to attempt all of it and click 2 or 3 options. If you are sure about one answer, just click that one answer. At least you will have 1 point. Like they say in English, a bird in hand is worth 2 in a bush. In the same way, a point in hand is definitely worth 2 in the bush. The next one, but wait, before I jump into that, if you've got some value out of these particular points that you've got, then please feel free to hit that like button. And now let's jump into the next point, which is not understanding the different question types. Well, I would like to focus more on the multiple choice single answer and the multiple choice multiple answer. This is one question, or rather these are the questions that students actually always get confused. I know it can get quite tricky and sometimes we skip this when we are trying to move too fast. Now let me tell you one thing. There is an easy way to spot the difference, and that lies purely in the question. It will be mentioned single or multiple answer. Another way is to focus on the tick boxes. For multiple choice, multiple answer, the answer options will usually be in boxes, in a box shape. But for the multiple choice single answer, it will be circular or round in shape. Keep your eye out for these small little things and you can avoid making a silly mistake. And the next one is glancing for answers. Make sure to read the question properly. Understand and then read through the passage. Don't keep looking at the passage and then the questions. When you keep doing that, you will be wasting your valuable time. Next, avoid using your background information. Whether you are a very knowledgeable person or you are a bookworm, keep all of that for a quick rest. Even if you are familiar with the subject that is given to you in a passage, focus only on the text that is given in the passage. There can be times when the board that is setting the exam can change the particular facts. In that case, you might start entering some answers based on your own knowledge. Please avoid all of it. Come into the exam with a blank mind. We would love to have you on our YouTube community, and if you are still not a member, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and join us. The next one is avoid skipping questions. You see, a majority of questions have no negative marking. Only a few of them have, okay? Try guessing for the other questions except the multiple choice, multiple answer type. That's right. That is the only question that has a negative marking. You can only go forward, but you cannot come backwards. So make sure that you attend all questions and keep moving forward. As much as all these tips are useful, it would be even more better if you can get professional help. If you are looking for some good guidance in your PTE preparation, we can help you. Log on to our website, check out some of our packages, and feel free to sign up with us. You can also check out some of our other videos on this particular channel. Please use the contact form that is pinned in the comment section to get in touch with us, and also please drop your feedback in the comment section. That's it from Genesis Learning this week. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm your trainer Noel, and I will see you next week. Ciao.